It's like being hot in the games. This is our home, and this is where we live in Seattle, Washington. That's me, Eric, my wife, Roshri, and these are our kids. We got tired of the usual corporate America, long hours, living for the weekends and living for retirement. We decided to make a change. We moved out the Pacific Northwest. We cut our expenses, we cut our income, and we decided we were going to focus on what matters most. Life, experiences, spending time with our kids, spending time with our friends and family, making the most of every single day, and truly living life to its fullest. So come join us as we explore this world. It's a lot to see and a lot to do. Let's get it going. Oh, that's so mean. That's so yummy.
Det är sagt som.
He's like, I'll bite that whole thing off. I'm gonna let go. You slapping my head? You slapping my head? Hello. You say hey?
And the wedding party for Marty is a falcon. So the falcons are gonna.
There's your baby.
I mean, you can pull it and see how much it takes. No!
That's gross. I don't know how I like that.
Candy cane? It's a disgusting Christmas.
Don't you know you have to wait until the credits?